Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Right here we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 specifically, guys, where the headlights fuse is located. You have two different fuse boxes. One of them is under the hood in the engine bay, and if you open that fuse box it will look, okay, let me come back, it will look just like this one, guys. And these fuses relays could be Ford specific, really hard to find special fuses, guys, that can be hard to find, overpriced or impossible to find. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. We'll need to find the other fuse box that's located, guys, by the way, in the passenger footwell compartment here, and that kick panel plastic, if you remove it and you open the fuse box, it will look just like that. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays so we don't waste time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So the fuse for the headlight switch, guys, is, if we come towards the bottom, let me zoom in so you can clearly see that. And if you see right here, it says fuse number 20, but that's actually fuse number 19 and 20 together. That's two fuses in one, guys. Okay, that special fuse right here will need to be checked. That's the one for the headlight switch that you will need to check. Number 19 is for the transmission shifter, so if it's blown on both sides, it's bad. Usually only one side will be blown, but we need to replace both of them at the same time because it's one fuse.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.